Today, I'm showing you how to make Mongolian ground beef noodles in under 20 minutes. Faster than it takes your food delivery driver to find parking. And guess what? It's cheap, it's easy, and it tastes like takeout, but better. Let's go. Alright, grab your pan and let's talk flavor, baby. Start by heating a tablespoon of oil in a large skillet. I'm using avocado oil because we're classy like that, but use what you got. Now, toss in 1 pound of ground beef. Brown it up and break it down like you're mad at it. We want those crispy little bits, you know? Once the beef is cooked and you're feeling yourself, toss in 4 cloves of garlic, minced, and about an inch of fresh ginger, grated. If you're using powdered ginger, I won't judge, but fresh just hits different. Let that sizzle for 30 seconds and take a deep breath. That smell, that's the moment your neighbors start wondering what you're cooking and why they weren't invited. Now we're building this sauce. In a small bowl, mix together half a cup of low sodium soy sauce because we're trying not to puff up like a balloon, okay? A 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce for that deep umami vibe, and a pinch of red pepper flakes, or a whole shake if you're feeling spicy. Stir that together and pour it right into the skillet. Let everything simmer and bubble while you pretend you're on a cooking show. Then add a quick cornstarch slurry. That's 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with a tablespoon of water to thicken it up. 2 to 3 minutes and boom, glossy, sticky magic. Meanwhile, you've cooked the noodles, right? Spaghetti, lo mein, ramen, whatever your heart desires. Toss them in and coat those noodles like they just came out of a spa. It's giving silky, it's giving savory, it's giving. Why didn't I make this sooner? Finish with chopped green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds if you're feeling bougie. And there it is, Mongolian ground beef noodles, the weekday dinner you didn't know you needed. If you had fun today, smash that like button like it owes you money, subscribe to join the Kelvins Kitchen fam, and drop a comment below. What quick weeknight recipe should we remix next? For the full written recipe, printable, and everything, head over to kelvinskitchen.com because you deserve to cook like a boss without guessing the ingredients. See you next time.